literally burning, like right over there. Okay, do you see how windy it is? This is our control burning by the state, county, federal, whoever does it, I don't know, in the Uwharrie National Forest. Oh my gosh, like really, I don't like it. I do not like that. Look, Toby, stay up here. Stay up here. Oh gosh, you scared me. My Toby's got a broke leg. Yeah, you had a broke leg. Come here, pig. Peg leg. Come on. He's all doped up. But he's doing good. We're keeping the cast on. This is a splint. Actually, I don't know why they don't cast it, but whatever. It's just the way they do it. Anyway, he's doing okay. But that's not that okay. Okay? That's literally, I can tell. I mean, because you can see, it's not real smoky back of there, but as soon as you get to right there, that's where it is, on the other side of the lake. Just right there. Which this is all state park and national forest on that side. On parts of this side too, but not any of this section. Not for a long ways on this side. Just behind us there is. So yeah, it just the other side of the road there is, but not on the water. Anyway, yeah, I don't really like it. I don't like it on such windy day. It trips me out, actually. And they keep doing it because it keeps like these weird puffs of smoke. All of a sudden you'll start to smell it in the house, and it's like keep my eyes out. Peace.